All right. 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Hello, guys. Maybe we could give applause. Okay. We're back again to one of Smart FM programs, which is Smart of Your Life, where we have a discussion with English communities especially in Makassar. We talk about some topics. Now, before I continue to our main cause, maybe I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ciputra as your host today. Now, before you stand for speakers today, maybe you guys could introduce yourself first before we go into the topic. Maybe start with you first. Oh yeah, don't forget your name and your English communities. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Gede Semarbawa and my name is Gede Semarbawa and I'm from UKM Bahasa Penupe communities. About UKM Bahasa Penupe is a community that work in English English department that how can I say it? Mewadahi.
Oh, being a place.
Yeah, being a place for a student in Politeknik Negeri Unjuk Pandang who want to increase their English skills.
Oh, increasing their English skills.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it for me.
Okay, so you are Igede, right?
Yes.
You're called Gede like last week.
Yes. Okay.
And you're from UKM Bahasa Penupe. Now,
Yeah.
UKM Bahasa Penupe is communities in your campus, right?
Yeah.
And these communities, does it open for public or it only open for student in PNUP, like for applying for a member?
Well, about our communities is UKM Bahasa Penupe is open for public for those want to learn about English or someone want to increase their English skill. You can join us in our activities communities like English meeting, English course, and public speaking training. And you can check our communities at Instagram UKM Bahasa Penupe. That's funny.
Okay, thank you very much, Gede. Now I will move to left side of you. Maybe you could introduce yourself and your English communities.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Christopher Simanel Natalino Salai, and I am from Politeknik Pariwisata Makassar English Club, or we usually say it Poltek Par Makassar English Club. So my community is open only for the students in this campus, and it been used for them to increase their English ability. This activity usually held in Saturday morning until afternoon, with specialization on speaking ability. We taught them how to speak properly in English, and I think we open a reading section for them who wants to read some literature from English, some books with an English text that they could take it and read it in the sections we made for them.
Oh, okay. Cristo, right?
Yeah.
Okay, your name is Cristo. So your English community, what is it called again?
It's called PMEC.
BMEC. This BMEC.
It's
B.
P.
P. O P
PMEC.
M. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. PMEC. So your English community PMEC is only the members of your community only available for the student from your
Yeah.
campus.
It's from our campus only.
Oh yeah, so it's not open for public, or do
Yeah.
you have a program that is like open for public maybe?
I might think about that, but for now, I think it's only open for our
Oh,
campus.
exclusive for your
Yeah,
members
exclusive.
only. Oh, I see. Okay. Is that all you want to say?
If you want to know more about PMEC, you could see it on our Instagram. at pmec.info with double O. I think that's all.
Okay, make sure to follow guys in their IG. Thank you very much, Krista. Now I would like to move to my left side. Maybe you start first. Maybe you could introduce yourself and your English community, and what's their agenda and such. You may start.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Brian Febrian Valentin Manbuti, and I'm from Community Dipa English Club. Dipa English Club is community from student Universitas Makassar from a long time ago. That's it.
Oh, so you what is your community again?
Dipa English Club.
Deepa English Club.
Yeah.
Does it open for public, or maybe there is the program that Deepa English Club have for public, not exclusive for their members?
Oh yeah. From what I know, this community it's exclusive for student from Dipa Makassar.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But maybe someday, for agenda we can join from public, maybe something.
Oh, okay, okay. So someday you your
Yeah.
community might have a public agenda for public, not exclusive only for your members only.
Yeah.
Okay, that's actually good. If I like to know more about your communities, where do I like to, let's see, where do I find the informations? You may have like their IG or social media.
Oh yeah. From Dipa English Club we have in Instagram at this DC official. That's it.
Okay, GC official.
Yeah.
Okay, make
Ada-
sure to follow ya guys their IG. Okay, thank you very much, Rian. Right? Okay. Next to the last one, maybe you could introduce yourself and your English community.
Okay, so thank you very much for giving me a chance. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Toris Bakir, and my friends and also people, my friends, my teacher, call me as Waris or Aris. So I'm from Exit, or we can say that Excellent Islamic Generations. So in Excellent Islamic Generations, Excellent
Islamic
Generations.
generations. Okay, okay.
So actually, it's open for public, and our agenda only for there is no only the name Islamic Generations, but the member it's open for public.
Oh, so it's not only open for.
For Islam, no. Open for public.
Also, it's open for public.
Yeah.
Anyone who would like to join.
Yeah, anyone can join in our community.
Oh.
So our event, we have weekly meeting in every Saturday or every Sunday. It's depend on our situations at 4 p.m. in multimedia, front of how to say Unismo Universitas Muhammadiyah Makassar.
Oh yeah.
And
University?
Unismo University.
Uh-huh.
And our agenda it's only for discussing and debating. So for example, like we choose one of member who come in the event, and then we choose one, and you can choose one topic, whatever you want, and then we can meet again next week and we discuss and debating.
Oh, I see. So your communities is made especially for those who want to improve their English skills, and it's
Yeah.
open for public.
It's open for public, but in some condition we have also several classes, and we have several classes and it's exclusive, such as TOEFL, for example, and writing skills. We have class writing skills, and also what else, grammar. But for public we have only speaking class.
Oh, so you also have like exclusive agenda.
Yeah, exclusive agenda for
for members only.
Yeah,
Oh,
members only.
what if like I like to join a member in your communities? What should I do, and where do I find more information about your community?
Okay, so if you want to know more about our community, you can check on Instagram at Exit Makassar. So I think only that. So yeah, that's it.
Okay, thank you very much, Brother Waris, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, thank you very much, guys, for introducing yourself. We would like to move on to our main discussions for today. Do you guys know this month is a holy month for our Muslims brothers and sister because they are fasting. Now, we all know fasting is a thing that I think all religions has, right? Now, because our topic today is fasting version on religions. Maybe before we continue, I would like to ask you, what do you think when you heard about this topics today? Fasting version on religions. Maybe start with Christophers.
Okay, thank you for the change. My opinion about this topic is uh, not only obstacle, but it's only interesting because we could sharing our each other information, our each other fasting version with our other brothers and sisters in another religion.
Mm-hmm.
Not only we know about our fasting version, but we also got more information, got a new knowledge about
So we
their
learn.
fasting information. Yeah, we'll
Oh.
also learn about their fasting version.
Okay, okay. What else do you think about this topic? Is that all?
Uh, I think it's interesting because in a moment back then we might be just only know about our fasting version, but in this arrangement, in this
Discussions here.
discussions section, we could sharing our each other versions
Oh,
in
yeah, yeah,
every
yeah, yeah.
religions.
That's right. So each one of us and other person, smart viewer and smart listener, could learn about others' fastings versions on every religions, right?
Yeah. That's
Okay, okay. Thank you very much, Christo. Now, I would like to move to Rian. What do you think about this topic, fasting version on religions?
My opinion about this topic, it's very interesting because back then when I was child, I always interesting why Muslim people always do this. But when I'm go to the high school,
Mhm.
I'm learning about them. From my friend, they told me because it's from one month they fasting, and after 1 month they doing
They're fasting.
yeah, they're fasting.
Okay. After 1 month, they're doing their fasting. Oh, okay. So like, you have an interesting thoughts about this ones because, maybe you ask yourself about why do Muslims always fasting on
Yeah.
each year and every 1 month a year,
Yeah,
right?
that's it.
Do you ever like ask yourself like, do we also have fast on our own religions?
Yes. Sometimes I always asking in my religion, do we have fasting? From my parents say, because I'm from Protestant, we don't have fasting. But from our friends from Catholic, they have fasting.
Oh, I see, I see, I see. Maybe we could like talk about that later when we are getting into the topic. But thank you for your statement, Rian. Now we are moving to Gede. Okay, Gede. What do you think about this topic? Fasting version on religions.
Okay, about this topic, I think it's very interesting. The reason is because in from this discussion we can learn about how the version of it's our fasting version from
Every
Hindu,
religions.
yeah, for every religions that instead in from that discussion that we can learn how unique is the fasting from
Every religions.
every religion and
Ah.
what can we do if there are some of friends that
Uh huh.
during maybe from that a month or day that they had a fasting and what should we do to respect our friend who had a fasting. That
Oh, I see. So you're also interested in these topics, right?
yeah, because
Okay. Thank you very much, Gede. Now we are moving to the last ones of our speakers today. Brother Waris, you may explain what do you think about fasting version on religions? This topic today.
Okay, so about fasting, yeah. Basically, the first one that we should know is why in every year have different month. Like in this year we fasting at March, and we have to back previously maybe 4 years, 5 years. It's April, May,
Yeah.
right? Why? Because we have our how to say calendar, namely Hijriah,
Yeah.
and one of them, namely Ramadan. And why we should fasting in Ramadan? Because Ramadan we claim, our religion claim that Ramadan is the hottest conditions.
Hottest conditions.
Yeah, hottest conditions in 12 years. In a year, sorry, in a year.
In 12 months.
12 months, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Now, why we fasting? Because we should hold our, how to say, desire, not only for like keep our like eat, drink, but we should keep our word politely. We should, how to say, we should give much kindness to the people, because we, how to say, gather our how to say in English, pahala.
Oh.
So we claim pahala, kindness.
Kindness.
Yeah, kindness.
Yeah.
And we claim that if we do some kindness in this month, our pahala
Yeah.
is how to say, dilipat
Multiply.
gandakan. Yeah, multiply.
Ah, yeah. That's right. I heard about that one.
Yeah. So why we claim that it is this is holy month? Yeah, because the first one like that, and the second one is this month is very special because the first one when we how to say in 17th Ramadan of Ramadan,
17th.
hari ke-17.
Oh yeah,
17th of
day
Ramadan. That is the first chapter in Quran given by the God to our prophet.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it's in the middle of Ramadan.
Oh, so it's also have like correlations.
Yeah, correlations.
Oh, I see.
So, and the second one, there is namely Lailatul Qadar. Lailatul Qadar is, we claim that it's a night, a special night. The function is for us, the function is to make our self, how to say, our sins was gone.
Oh, so
Will gone, like that.
Like-
Penghapus dosa.
so it's like a very very big event.
Yeah, very, very big event. So we should like in the first one and start from 21st of Ramadan
21st of Ramadan,
and 23rd of Ramadan,
23rd of Ramadan,
25,
25.
27.
Oh, so it's an odd number.
Yeah, ganjil.
Yeah,
Yeah,
odd
yeah.
number.
We start prayer from midnight
Midnight to
into down. How to say late
down.
night, subuh.
oh yeah I know.
Yeah, we didn't sleep. We don't sleep.
So
Actually, we
so you
on-
guys like prayed
Pray,
midnight until
read
dawn?
the Quran
with the Quran.
and hope the God to delete our sin, for example, make our sin gone.
yeah.
And we still crying in our prayer in mosque, or
I
maybe in our how to say, kamar juga bisa gitu. So that is the special. We claim that it's a special because our sin will gone. Like, and after Idul Fitri, Hari Raya Idul Fitri, it's we how to say, how to say in English, we claim, kita menganggap bahwa kita ini we actually is whole, kita benar-benar suci after Ramadan.
Oh, so you guys.
So we
feel
have no how to
holy.
say, holy.
Oh.
Yeah, how to say suci ya, kita anggap
I see, I
suci.
see, I see.
Why we celebrate? Yeah, because of that. Like we prepare for our meal, prepare for how to say daging, meat, and every food we should prepare for that. We celebrate that.
Oh, I see. So it's like the end of Ramadan.
The end. No. It's not the end of Ramadan. After Ramadan, namely Shawwal.
Oh, I
Ramadan
see.
and Shawwal, and the first of Shawwal, we celebrate our Idul Fitri.
The first of Shawwal. Oh, so it's like after the Ramadan.
After the Ramadan, yes.
There is also a big event called Idul Fitri, Eid Mubarak.
Yeah, Eid Mubarak.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
So we how to say, we obligatory diwajibkan untuk makan for Eid before we pray for Eid. Eid, ada namanya sholat Idul Fitri.
Oh,
Before that kita diwajibkan untuk makan
so you guys like
atau
the-
minum.
have to eat
Yeah,
before you
yeah,
do
yeah.
your prayer.
Yeah.
I like that one because they told you to eat before you doing your prayer.
Because the prayer start from 7 p.m.
Oh, so it
7.
start from 7 p.m. too?
Yeah, to 7 half, setengah 8 maybe. And then after that
Oh.
we listened to how to say ceramah, and then we back to our home, and then we how to say silaturahmi to our family, our neighbor, like Eid Mubarak, and then
Yeah.
sometimes we give how to say angpau lah, semacam angpau, THR. How to say that? Yeah.
So it's like a gift.
a gift. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much,
Okay.
Brother Waris. You also explaining about this topic itself. Now, okay. Before we continue, maybe we will be right back after this one. Okay, 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Hello guys, we're back again after the break. Now, let's continue to one of our speakers here, Gede. Maybe you could explain about fasting version about your religions. Your religions is Hindus, right?
Yeah. that's it.
Okay, maybe explain it yourself.
Okay, about fasting in my religion is we usually that our fasting is called a Nyepi or Bali Silence Day in English. That usually it held in March or April because there are calendar in Bali that we call a calendar Saka. That's it.
Oh, kalender Saka.
Yeah. During that day, we do a fast that heal from 6 p.m. till the next morning 6 p.m. again gitu. So we do fasting in 24 hours.
So you guys fasting 24-hour.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh my god. You do not eat,
Yeah,
what do you do?
Okay. During that day, we do that we call upawasa. Upawasa in Indo means that puasa tuh from upa is mean close and wasa is God gitu. And in that means that upawasa is it closing ourselves to God. Okay. Aside from doing fasting, we in Nyepi we do that for what can say pengendalian diri.
Introducing yourself,
No.
controlling
Yeah.
yourself. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
For self-sustaining or we can call it catul bata penyepian. During that nyepi Bali Science Day, there are 4 restrictions that we
You cannot do.
cannot do. First is amati geni, which means there's no lighting a fire or light.
Oh, so you cannot lighting a fire.
Yeah, like so. In that day, is our home is blackout. There's nothing source of light.
Even
So-
even at night, you don't
Yeah.
like a single light.
Yeah, there's no single light.
Oh,
Even for fire. The second is amati karya, no doing a working or do something like chores in house area. So
You cannot also doing chores
yeah,
or doing something. So you're not just you're not moving at all.
yeah, that's it.
I
the
see.
and the third is amati lelungan is no apa sih? Jangan is not going outside, not going outside. So we during that day we stay inside home, and the last is Jangan is not having not, I don't say that's fun. There's not, we how I can say, tidak melakukan,
Not doing.
not doing that something that make us fun gitu, or happy.
Oh,
So-
so you cannot do something that makes you happy, like maybe watching
Yeah, that's it. Watching
TV
yeah,
or listening to
a bit-
music.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
So
I see.
during that day, aside from doing fasting, that we Hindu doing that Chatubata penyepian during Nyepi.
Okay. Thank you very much, Gede,
Yeah.
for your statement about fasting on your religion's Hindu.
Yeah.
Now I would like to move to Crystal, maybe explaining about fasting in Catholic, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fasting in Catholic. I know it's more than one fasting, but I think the only one we obligatory to follow is before an Easter event. It's called Lent event or Prapaskah.
Prapaskah.
We are should or must to do fasting in every Wednesday and Friday for every
Wednesday and
week.
Friday for every week.
We
So it's 2 days per week.
yeah we can for those 2 days we
Mhm.
can't eat meat at all.
Oh, you
All-
cannot eat
all-
meat.
Yeah, all the food that has a blood like a meat.
All the food that has a blood.
Yeah, all meat. I mean, even it's
Oh.
a cow or
All meat. So
or
even
chicken,
a cow,
yeah.
chicken. What about fish?
I might say it we can eat it too, but so only eggs or vegetable food
Oh,
that we could eat at during that day. And maybe for this event, before Easter event, we have to hold our desire or reduce our usual activity or usual thing that make us happy or make us enjoy. So I might say like we usually eat 3 times a day, so we could reduce it to 2, just only 2 times or 1 times. It's up to ourselves. It is. And maybe reduce our hobby, something
oh,
like that.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Crystal, about
Yeah.
explaining short terms about your fasting in Catholic.
You're
Now,
welcome.
Rian, you also said that in your religion, Protestant, Christian Protestants, right?
Yes.
You do not have like fasting version of yourself, but what do you know about fasting in Catholic? Because Krista already said, but you might have your own thing, like you heard from someone. What do you know about fasting in Catholic?
From Catholic, where I know they're fasting in example, just a Great Friday and
Great
It's a-
Friday.
yeah, and Prapaskah, Easter Day.
Oh, so it's like almost the same, yeah.
Yeah, but
Ah.
but some Protestant people, they allow they can doing fasting just like a Catholic people.
Oh, so some Protestants actually doing
Yeah,
fasting like
but
Catholic.
In our religion, Protestant, we don't must doing fasting, but some people Protestant they can do that.
Oh, so it's not an obligatory.
Yeah, obligatory.
Okay. Okay. I think that's a short thing about fasting in Protestants, right? So it's not something we have to do, but if you want to do it, then it's fine.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Thank you very much, Rian. All right, guys. We already reached the time of our past limit. Now, thank you very much for smart listener and smart people who are smart viewers who are watching these programs. We would be back again next week with another topic, different topics at 4 p.m. So make sure you guys not to miss. Remember, Tuesday at 4 p.m. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for listening and viewing this program. I am Ciputra Sirano, 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Bye bye.